Hello and welcome to cardboard hack number 2. Today we're going to make rounded walls out of cardboard, which sounds a little hard, but with this fun tool right here, you can actually make really easily lots of rounded walls. I'm going to use a cardboard box that's white on one side because kids love to color and paint and decorate. And the Priority Mail large square box works really well. All these flaps are 12 inches by 6 inches. So it actually makes it very easy for kids to just make a score down the middle and create a perfectly cubed structure if they want. Here I already cut off one of the flaps. You can see it's 12 by 6. And if you score it just down the middle, you're able to make bent scores, bent walls. So 2 flaps can actually make half of a house right here. And I actually cut out a door. But what I want to show you is how to make the last wall curved. And that is really easy to do with a paper cutter over here. Now it is a knife on the inside, so it's not 100% safe for little hands, but it's definitely much better than a pocket knife. I'm going to turn the screen down a little bit so you can see. And all you really want to do is make lots of scores. You do want to go along with the vertical corrugation. It just makes it easier to bend in the end. In the ideal world, you would be doing this equidistant, and that would make for a really nice curved wall feature. I'm, for the sake of doing it quickly, not going to actually measure it out. I'm just going to estimate a bit. But the more slices you make, the more your wall will look really curved. Put this back up, and you can see if you just bend each one, really easy. Little kids can do this. You create a beautifully curved wall, and you can add it to your house. Oops. Do that. You can see the front door, and it really makes for a nice wall feature for making really cool structures. You can probably bend it the other way. I didn't really think about which side I scored on, but you can actually bend it the other way to create a white curved wall, and then your students can paint and decorate it. So that is hack number 2. Hope you enjoyed it.